Hi, welcome to the Chugwater Chili Kitchen. Today we have another great recipe for you from our Chugwater Chili Cookbook. It is our chili cheese cauliflower, and it is on page 145 in our cookbook. This is going to be a great recipe to include in perhaps your Easter menu or another spring gathering that you might have. Very simple. We're just going to take a head of cauliflower, which has been cut up into our bite-sized pieces. And then we're going to add a 1/4 cup of oil. This is just a regular cooking oil, but you can use olive oil or whatever is your preference. And then 2 tablespoons of our original Chugwater chili seasoning. Okay, we're going to give those a good stir. Make sure everything is nicely coated. You want that flavoring to go over all of the cauliflower. Okay. Then we're just going to pour that onto a pre-lined baking tray, and the foil is just to make it a little easier for cleanup. I did spray the pan with some cooking spray. Spread those out so the heat can go evenly over them. And then we're going to bake those in the oven at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. As soon as that 30 minutes is up, then we're going to go ahead and sprinkle it with our cheese and then put it back in the oven for another 5 to 10 minutes. 400 degrees, 30 minutes.